Now, on This Week in Agribusiness, it's Max's Tractor Shed, where we spotlight another great American farm tractor. Long after their days of hard work in the field, you see them at special events like fairs and festivals and weddings and funerals, class reunions, family reunions. I show you a nice John Deere from Iowa. And Max's Tractor Shed, brought to you by AgSpray Equipment, a leader in liquid application equipment and parts, and the home of the DT Series trailer. From turnkey solutions to field-proven performance, they help maximize your spraying operation. Learn more at agspray.com. It is interesting to see the old tractors, the centerpiece of so many special events. I would imagine the original owners who had those tractors to work in the field would be shaking their heads. Let me show you a John Deere 730 from Iowa. It was purchased new by Eric and Mary Cleveland, and they would have enjoyed seeing their offspring gathered together on the family farm at Alden, Iowa, as they took turns recently driving that John Deere 730. There was a big workhorse in the 60s. It plowed, it pulled a disc, it ran a corn picker, and it cultivated. One of the four Cleveland offspring, Martin, has vivid memories of learning to cultivate on that 1959 tractor, riding the fender as his dad showed him how it was done. His father explained the goal in that operation was to take out the weeds, but hopefully very little of the crop in that process. And I would just say, as one who was on the business end of some of that guidance back in the day, we had our successful days and some when we weren't so successful, and the supervisor called it to our attention. A real nice John Deere at Alden, Iowa. Here's Mark Stock now with this week's Big Iron Report.